Demystifying the Python ecosystem, a guide to popular frameworks and libraries. Understanding the Python ecosystem. The Python ecosystem is a rich and diverse environment that encompasses a wide range of tools, libraries, and frameworks. Popular Python frameworks. Django framework. Django is a high-level web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Flask framework. Flask is a lightweight, unflexible micro-framework for Python. It is designed to be simple and easy to use, making it a great choice for small to medium-sized projects. Python libraries for data science. NumPy library. NumPy is a powerful library for numerical computing in Python. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. Matplotlib library. Matplotlib is a plotting library for Python that produces high-quality charts, graphs, and visualizations. Python libraries for machine learning. TensorFlow library. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework developed by Google. Keras library. Keras is a high-level neural networks API, written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Python ecosystem is vast and diverse, offering a plethora of frameworks and libraries to support a wide range of development needs. By leveraging the power of Python's frameworks and libraries, you can streamline your development process and create innovative solutions to complex problems.